Are you tired of juggling multiple software systems and tools? Are you paying for features you don't use? What if you could manage your projects effectively using a tool you already have? Let's explore how Google Docs can be your surprisingly powerful project management tool. Hello, I'm Amy Novick, a professional organizer, Google certified trainer, and productivity specialist. I empower business owners with Google solutions. I increase their efficiency and save them money by using the tools they already pay for within Google Workspace. Every week I hear, I didn't know Google could do that. This foundational system allows you to start and grow your business so you can make time and create space for what you value most. In Google Docs, you can use headings to outline the sections of the project and/or the milestones you need to hit. In the outline on the left, you can easily view and click to each section of your Google Doc or project. Within each section, you can use checklists to list the tasks that need to be accomplished and subtasks. Once you have a list of tasks, you can then hover over the checkbox and assign a task and a due date to a specific person in your Google Workspace, whether it's somebody else on your team or assign it to yourself. You can add a due date when you know one, or come back later and add it as they become evident. Once you have assigned it to a person, it appears in their Google Tasks list. So they need to know that the tasks list exists. If they go to their Google Task list and click on it, it will open up this project document for them. Once they complete the task, if they check the checkbox in tasks, it will also check it off inside the document. So from their task list, they can essentially edit and update the task in the Google document. If you need more advanced tools than the simple checklist, you could also insert a table with drop down or chip menus if you'd like. You can also copy paste part of a Google Sheet that might include data, lists, or a visual timeline straight from the sheet into the Google Doc. And when you paste it, if you choose linked sheet, then the version inside of the Google Doc will always be updated and current with whatever is in the related Google Sheet. No matter what tools you're using inside of the Google Doc, make sure that you are sharing the Google Doc with the right people with the correct permissions. You need to determine who needs to be able to view the document, comment on it, or edit the document. So, why should I just use a Google Doc, or why could I use a Google Doc instead of another software system? The advantages are many. You have collaboration and real time editing within a Google Doc at all times. Anybody that has permissions can edit it easily. So you do not have to be the only one to maintain this project management document. Google Docs are very easily accessible and familiar to most people. It is a very minimal learning curve. It is also cloud based storage, meaning anybody can access that document from anywhere at any time, so long as they have an internet connection. It is most definitely cost effective because if you have a Gmail account, it's free. And if you have Google Workspace, it's included with your subscription anyway. It does not cost you any more money at all than you're already paying to use that Google Doc as your project management tool. Therefore, very budget friendly. Lastly, as we noted, it integrates with other Google tools. Google Docs is part of Google Workspace, and the checklists in Google Docs integrate seamlessly with Google Tasks. That streamlines the workflow, the process, and uses one system and one ecosystem to accomplish your goals. So, how much of what you do could be done in Google Docs? Let me know in the comments below. I hope these tips help you save time and money in your workflows.